is now. We are heading to another place to go and do a little walk. So we're ready to go now. We are waiting for Keke. See our tools. See my age. What's up, G? Ojida. See the shop over here. See the shop. Stay close to this fast food. Oh. That's what I think of it. Hungry, nigga. I know already. It's funny stuff. I'll record it today from here. You don't come back, oh.